2027 इलेक्शनाक हांव 2027 रावन आय ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड मिटींग पीपल.
आनी तुमी खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल बॅनराचेर रावपाचे आहा?
I am right now I am in BJP and my family and my supporters tells me this time also I should contest on the BJP only because I was in the BJP and people want I to be in BJP and continue in the BJP because under the BJP government I have did a lot of developmental work in this constituency. And as it is already BJP in the center, that helps us to take up the developmental works in our constituency. आणि म्हाका दिसता की जो सेंटराक पार्टी आसता त्या पार्टीचेर जर इलेक्शन हांगा जर आसत स्टेटीन त्या पार्टीचें सरकार that helps for development to get a fund from center.
आतां एनिवेज BJPचो हांगसर आमदार आसा राजेश, तशेंच खूब एक्सपिरियन्स आसा BJPची टिकेट कंटेस्ट करपा खातीर. सो इफ नॉट BJP देन तुमी खंयची पार्टी यू वील कम्फर्टेबल आसा की बाबा कंटेस्ट करपा हे मतदारसंघात?
That I will think later on. As on today, I have decided to contest on BJP and I will contest on BJP. If not BJP, then I will think over what to do.
Time येयलो म्हणटा मागीर
I will consult to my supporters and as per their wish, I will go forward.